I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Delice Cebu. Delice Homemade Goodies by GOV specializes in homemade cakes that would really satisfy your sweet tooth cravings. And what I am trying now is their UBELICIOUS cake. And if ever you have been following me, you know that I really love ube. And I have been shared that their UBELICIOUS cake is so rich, creamy, and tasty gud kuno kaayo. And it is bigger because 500 grams ang fillings palang daan. Di ba mayo pa ang cake no na ay fillings, but yeah, if you have noticed na yung murag ube halaya in the middle of the cake. And you can have this UBELICIOUS goodness for only 650 pesos. And for that, dili na gyuday na to dugayan, tilawan na gyuday na to ang ilahang UBELICIOUS cake. It is really rich gyud ay, like ang toppings palang daan, ube na gyud kaayo. Ang cake itself, ube na sa gyud. And ang feelings nga naa sa tunga, mas labang ube na gyud kaayo. And what I really like, even though like creamy siya, dili overing ang iyang pagkatamis, ma-feel lang gyud gihapon nako ang pagka-ube nga flavor o ang rich ube nga flavor. And if you have noticed, baga jud kaayo siya no, murag lisod man siya kanon pero kakayanin ko to. Di ba? Why not? To order the guys, you may just message their official social media account in Instagram, which is Delice_Cebu. Aside from this UBELICIOUS cake, you also have Delice Mango Pavlova and a Super Choco Rare cake. But always remember guys to watch your sugar and to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!